We have now for a week now that the Xiaomi has been ready its first phone as a part of partnership with Meitu. Now the Chinese brand announced that the Xiaomi Mi CC9 series, consisting of the Mi CC9, Mi CC9e and Mi CC9 Meitu Edition, all three smartphones offering a 32 megapixel selfie camera in a waterdrop notch and a 4030 mAh battery and a triple camera setup on the back with 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel wide ultra wide snapper and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The Mi CC9 series also offer the ability to swap out the sky in a photo for more aesthetically pleasant backdrop as a previous seen in the MIUI beta. So the standard Mi CC9 offer a Snapdragon 710 chipset with 6GB RAM, 64GB or 128GB storage. The phone also serves up to 6.39-inch OLED display with Full HD Plus display. Within display, fingerprint sensor, a 18-watt charger with other noteworthy details including a 3.5mm headphone jack, NFC, IS blaster, USB Type-C and a Game Turbo 2.0 support. The second phone shown at the event was the Xiaomi Mi CC9e. The smartphone comes with Snapdragon 665 chipset, 6GB OLED screen with in-display fingerprint sensor. There is no NFC, and the final phone revealed at the part of the event was the Xiaomi Mi CC9 Meitu Edition. The Xiaomi noticed that the phone camera app was actually developed by Meitu. Furthermore, the phone featuring a AI low light portrait mode with company showing off the selfie that was notably brighter than shot taken with iPhone XS. Coming to the price, the Xiaomi Mi CC9, the starting variant of this phone will come with 1799 yuan, which is around $262 for 6GB RAM 64GB variant, and the Mi CC9e start with 1299 yuan, which is around $189 for 4GB RAM 64GB internal storage, and the Xiaomi Mi CC9 Meitu Edition, which is come with 2599 yuan, which is around $378 which come with 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage. So that's all guys. Let me know your thought on Mi CC9 series. Let me know in the comment section. I will catch you next video. Till then, goodbye.